Hello, this is Imtiaz Rastgar, CBI expert, standing here at the MIDEST trade fair in Paris on 19th November 2013 at the CBI stand. And we have today with us Mr. Sohaib Akbar from Mistequay Engineering Company, and they are a precision manufacturer, machining company, and they are here with us. And Mr. Sohaib Akbar makes parts for the aerospace and food industries already, and he is here with us. Thank you very much, Sohaib, for being with us. And would you like to tell us how you prepared and how you entered the CBI program? And
we were actually we got an invitation to apply for the CBI, and we went through the application process, and then we had auditors, local experts that came and did a pre-audit for our company, and then there were experts from Holland that came in and did an audit for our company, and we went through that conditioning process to get through. So that
you went through that, and then once you were selected, and then you were selected to come in to Holland for the X-Pro and then coming to the MIDEST. So how did you prepare for coming to the MIDEST?
The Pakistani CBI experts, they actually spent some time with us to coach us as to how to prepare for the show, and we had to go through. We did our market research and made a database of potential prospective customers in Europe, and basically we started sending them invites to visit us at MIDEST, and in parallel we were working on our multimedia tools. We upgraded our websites and brochures under the guidance of CBI experts.
Very good. And then you came to Holland and you attended the X-Pro. And what was your experience at the X-Pro?
Actually, it was a wonderful experience, because we are, personally for myself, I mean, I'm an engineer, technical guy. The softer skills probably are not there, so it basically made me more aware of the softer skills required to enter the European market, and also it basically did some conditioning for us to understand the culture better, to understand the business norms better, so that we can enter with ease in this new market.
Very good. And then from the Expo, you also went to Agritechnica. And what was the experience to going to such a large German specialized exhibition?
Yeah, in American English, I would say it was awesome.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Yeah, it was just the scale of the show, and the level of detail that the European market goes in interaction with potential customers in promoting their products was just amazing. The level of detail, the level of preparation. So it basically set a new perspective for us, and set a benchmark as to how we should be preparing to enter a market that's so serious about business.
So now you are here today at the MIDEST, and you started receiving inquiries and you have customers. When you go back after this fair, what are your plans for working immediately after the fair? How do you capitalize on the opportunities you've seen here and the people you've met?
Well, let's just say that we have our work cut out. There's a lot of follow-up work that would need to happen, and CBI experts basically gave us a whole format, forms that we have to basically fill, and basically we filled out all the requirements that these people that we interacted with they had, and we're going to go back and contact them and try. And some people ask for samples, some people ask for quotations. We're going to make sure that we do the needful on a customized basis.
And do you have any plans to follow up these customers with some visits to them?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's the plan. So we're going to basically categorize the customers as to the level of seriousness or interest that they showed.
Yeah.
And we're going to basically decide which.
Very good. Right. Thank you very much, Sohaib. So here we are. You heard Mr. Sohaib here at the MIDEST fair, and thank you very much for watching. This is CBI at MIDEST.